Hi everyone! Welcome to my province vlog. Kay araw man sa among lugar, dagan kayo dayo nga ng manigay, ukay-ukay, food bazaar, and many more. So my cousin and I decided to go thrift shopping and see what we could find. We literally roam around where thrift store are. Ika-isa ra ni may tabo sa isa katuig. And around mga 500 plus ako nagasto while sa akong cousin kay 1k plus na guro iyaha.
Grabe, napa dito oh. Dito oh, punta. Bye-bye. Let's go guys, another set dito ah.
Diri na side kay more on bottom sila. So ako napalit ra diri kay jorts lang. Hi everyone, today is July 14 and it's Tuesday rather. And it's Tuesday today. So punta kami ng Davao. Yeah. Hi guys, currently 11 na and karon na may nakakita og hotel sa Naurasa. And pag abot pa rin naman sa hotel, kay nilinog siya guys. Hindi na mo linog. Kinilinog siya guys. Like, is this Tagalog? Stop looking. Hi everyone, good morning. Today is July 15 and I think it's around 9 a.m. na karon. Ganina kayo nag-breakfast lang me. And today I'm about to get ready. Get ready with me. Kay mag-out may mga 11 a.m. and then going somewhere down the road. So yeah. Almost finished na. Like, is this Tagalog? Mahulog, gani ka tara mo So guys, I'm just upside down. Wow!
Quack, 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 quack. Lagay, ako lagay. Good step. Sige. Ano isa pa yun? Oy, Ay. Ceplan.
Ay, namin siya kay Kwan. Kanang baga.
Oh, San Pedro. Dirty ano na asa una.
Ang kanyang mutang violence dito, no?
Hi guys, so I survived. But after months, karon ako kabalik og walking dire. Like, it's so hangak jud siya. Ano kayo? Ando to dire. Here's the view, guys. Cloudy siya today. Like, look at that na ang clouds dire. Dami lang tao. So, on our way back down, kasi, oh wow! This was the day of my dental procedure because I'm getting a dental jackets or crowns next week. So for now, my dentist temporarily removed some of my damaged teeth. Also, as much as I wanted to do voiceover at this whole vlog, I cannot because I can say words properly like this.